Welcome to my channel. It's Saturday here, driving from Bad Night Heights to St. Paul, Minnesota. Thank you for joining me. Give us a like, and if you're not subscribed, smash subscribe button and subscribe. Give us a like. That helps with the YouTube algorithm push this video to more people so we can get more viewers. That's how you support us. Gonna drive here on Interstate 35. It goes all the way from Minnesota to Texas. One time I drove to Kansas City. Weekend here. Drive with me. There is a trooper to my left. Weekend troopers sit around and wait for people. They clock them speeding. So you got to be careful. But during the day, at least you can see them. There isn't places to hide. At night, it's a different story. Thank you so much for joining me on this short drive from Bad Night Heights to St. Paul, Minnesota. It's only like 6 minutes drive. Have a good Saturday. Take care of yourself. Spread love. Don't forget to give us a like. That's how you support our channel. We'll see you on the next video. Downtown St. Paul is over there. Peace out.